Hey guys, in this video you will learn how can you send a voice message in one time only. So a listener can listen your voice message only one time. So let's start the video. Make sure you watch the video till the end. So you just simply have to tap on this voice message option and you have to just click on it for a long time to the time you want to speak. Here you have to lock it, so just drag upward and then you can see this one time option. You just simply have to tap on it and then send it. In this way you can send a one time message, so a listener can listen it only one time. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video.